Hello everyone, this is Guide to Everything, and in today's video, a lot of people have been wondering on how you can fix the FiveM failed to fetch server variables error. So basically, this is a network related issue, and the fix that we are going to tackle for today involves around the Wi-Fi connectivity and for most people who use the Ethernet cable or the LAN cable. The first thing that you want to do is to head over to your desktop, and from here, click on your Windows logo simply below your screen. From here, right click on it, and then you want to click on the device manager. This will then show up. So basically, what you need to do is to navigate through the network adapters, which is going to be this one. And then we have multiple network adapters right here. You have your Wi-Fi, you have your Ethernet. So you can just locate the adapter that you are currently using. In my case, I'm using my Ethernet cable, so it's going to be the Realtek PCIe GBE family controller. Right click on it, click on the update driver, and then you want to click on the first one, search automatically for drivers, and then you want to select the updated drivers right here. In my case, I've already updated my drivers, so I'm good to go. Now, the next thing that you want to do is to navigate through your motherboard specification. So once again, right click on your Windows logo, and in here you want to click on the Windows specification or your motherboard specification. Simply just search your motherboard logo right here or your motherboard brand. In my case, I'm using the MSI B450M Pro Max. And then you want to type something like Wi-Fi drivers or LAN drivers. Hit on enter, and then you just want to update the drivers for your motherboard. So in my case, I have my drivers right here ready to be updated. I'll just click on the download button, and from there you will be able to fix the problem for FiveM. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.